do I need to tune my guitar every single time that I'm playing it? And here's the answer. This kind of depends on the guitar and maybe also to your playing style. Like if you're like a really rough, aggressive player, you love to rock and roll and you're bending strings all over the place, probably you're going to need to be tuning your guitar every time you play a song. If you're playing a higher end guitar, this is one of the hallmark things about a high end guitar. You can just kind of beat it up and go crazy, play your most rock and roll song, and things still in tune. Like there's not even a single string that's out. Conversely, a low end guitar, kind of, you spook it, you kind of sneak up on it too quickly and it's out of tune. And I find that with a lower end guitar, before I'm even to the end of the song I'm playing, I'm kind of hearing it already and I kind of want to stop and take a minute and retune it. So do you need to retune every time you play? The real answer here is you need to tune every time it's not in tune. And if you can't hear that, like if your ear isn't developed enough to be able to hear that it's not in tune, just check. Check more often than you need to. Use a digital tuner. They're cheap, available. It takes 2 seconds. Quickly double check, because you don't want to be performing, even if it's just for yourself, and it sounds bad. You want to be training your ear the whole time that you're playing. You want your guitar to sound good. You want the chords to mesh because the notes are correct. You want to be training your ear to hear those correct notes so that 20 years later or 40 years later, you can hear those notes and you can recognize them because you've been practicing those exact notes for decades. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel here, because I'm Steve the Guitar Guy, and you're going to learn a ton about guitars.